In this video, we'll show you how to create an OpenAI API key and integrate it into your Python projects. To generate an OpenAI key, first go to openai.com. On the left panel, click API Platform. Then create an account with OpenAI or log in. Once logged in, you're redirected to OpenAI Developer Platform. Head over to the dashboard and on left sidebar select API keys. On this page, click the Create a New Secret button. Enter a name for the key and select a project. You can leave it as default project. Then click Create Secret Key. It generates the API key. Copy it and save it somewhere safe, because you will not be able to access it again from here. Now that we have our key, we can use it for various purposes, such as text generation, image generation, and text-to-speech. We'll show you how to use this secret key in Python to make API calls. Open a code editor. We need to install the OpenAI library using this command. We are done with the setup. Let's open a Python file. We need to import the OS package to access API key from our env file and OpenAI class for making the API calls. Next, we create a .env file and create a variable to store our API key so that we do not expose our secret key in the code. We first need to initialize the client. This is where we pass our API key. Now we will show you how to generate text using the chat completion function. The function requires two arguments, model and messages. In the model argument, you specify the model name. We will use GPT-4o. In the messages argument, you pass the user prompt. We will ask it to summarize the following text in 50 words. The response from the API call typically looks like this, but we need only the message. So we extract just the message content from the response object. You can also assign a system prompt in the messages list. The model has to follow this prompt every time, regardless of the message sent by the user. We will ask it to talk like a pirate. And in the response, we can see that the summary is using the dialect of a pirate. Follow our OpenAI tutorials playlist if you want to see more OpenAI and LLM tutorials. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.